Welcome to the mountains of Georgia. And after 2 days of trying to get here, I'm finally in Borjomi. And it is beautiful. So I've literally just been dropped off over there, the bus station. And the place that I've booked for tonight, and maybe 2 nights, is roughly about a 9-minute walk. So from the capital, Tbilisi, where I was this morning, it's taken about 2 hours, 2.5 hours to get here by bus. The bus station, oh my god, it was crazy. This is the quiet side of it this morning before it got a bit too mental. So many buses, so many people, but it works. I knew exactly where to go. So Borjomi, the home of Georgian mineral water, and basically that's all I know about the place. I've seen a few photographs that made me want to come here, and this is the centre, as you can tell. So the route I took was this. It wasn't very exciting, a few traffic jams in the way, but I guess I'm getting used to them in Georgia. But look at that view up there. And the place I'm staying at, £11 a night, boasts mountain views as well. Now I think I might have to have a quick look at the map, because I think I've got to go that way. Yep, it's all uphill to where I'm going. And obviously with all this kit that I'm carrying, it's the exercise I need. And the one thing I've noticed straight away with this place is it's a lot cooler. Oh. So I haven't done a lot of research for this place, but what I have found out, there is plenty to do, to see. But I've decided that 2 nights is good enough. So what I'll do is I'll head up to the hotel, show you what this looks like. There's a lot of building work going around. And then show you the hotel, and then we'll have a wander down just to get first impressions of the place. And I'm here. And I will tell you now that I have been around the world so many times and stayed in cheap places, cheap hotels, cheap hostels, and some of them have been amazing. And this one looks like it's amazing. The girl who has shown me around, and this is my room, it is £11 a night. It works out 40 Lowry. The girl that runs the place is Italian. So we've just had a little bit of a Italian conversation through Google Translate, and she was just telling me that this place was designed and built by her dad, and it's all wooden everywhere. It is a shared bathroom. Look at that. Bathroom there, a small little kitchen there with a cooker just around the corner. And there's not that many rooms, so although I've booked 1 night, I've been lucky enough to get a second night. And this is the view from here. Look at that. And then a little chair for me to sit on the night time. And I don't think there's anybody else here apart from me. That view. The name of the hotel, if anybody does come here, is Dalco. I'll put all the details in the description because it's very rare that I actually tell people where I'm staying. This is probably worth it. Also in the description I will put in the details for the bus journey of where to go, how much it costs. It cost me 12 Lowry, cheap. But what I'm going to do now is just going to sort my bags out and then I'm going to head down the road and then just show you a bit more of this amazing place that I'm staying in for 2 nights. I can't believe this is all natural wood. Wows. I've just spent the last half an hour on the balcony just chilling, relaxing, and I'll admit this is a relaxing place. So I've come back out without my bags this time and just to see what's around. So that looks like the main sort of centre, but on the map that I've seen, everything that needs to be looked at, investigated, explored is over the river. So I thought I'd actually come up here and have a look down at the river. I mean, look at that. Stunning. So there is plenty to see, to do. There is a central park further on this way. There is ruins and there's history, culture, and there's the river. Wow. Get a good look at the town there. Oh, I didn't see the bridge. So wherever you go in, hello, wherever you go in Georgia, you will see the name Borjomi everywhere because of the mineral water that comes from here. And I've seen a few sort of water fountains which dishes out the mineral water for free. You don't have to pay for it. I might have to try that later. But at the moment I'm just wandering around. I think I might just head towards that bridge down there. Well, that was easy to find. Just some stairs from up there coming down from the road straight down here. Wow. Oh, it's a swing bridge. You can feel you moving as you walk along. But look at the beauty in that. And I know that if you try to book anywhere for the weekend here, all places are usually fully booked. I mean, I had a look online on Saturday night, hardly anything. But I'm just looking at these views, it's just stunning. Wow. Then as you come off the bridge, there's a market. That's quite big. Now I might come down tomorrow and get one of them. Bit of watermelon. So yeah, so everything I need to see is over that side. They're all walking distances, I hope. It's a nice little walkway. I mean, 2 nights, is that long enough for me? Oh, there's a tourist sign over there. So the Borjomi Karaguli National Park It is, as it says there, the first national park in the Caucasus, created in 1995, support from the WWF and the German government. Wow. So there's various parks around the various countries around here. There's 9 hiking trails, stating that it lasts from 1 day to 1 week, depending on your level of fitness. 1 day of hiking's not my thing. Now, I have noticed that wherever you go, there is English, even on the signs up here. You got the post office, Central Park, the Museum of Local Law. Oh, do like a good statue. Tbilisi. Really? So I've just done a quick Google to find out why there's a statue of Tbilisi in Borjomi, and it's because in 1887 he visited Borjomi for a month and they built a statue for him. So I wonder if I'm staying for 2 days that they might build one of OlderBackpacker. So that'd be a nice spot to put my statue. That made me laugh. So I've come further down. This seems to be the main road that just goes through the whole of the town. And then there's another bridge which I've just come across. I'm still trying to get my bearings, but that looks like the centre, the touristy centre. Oh, that looks a better view there. Wow. And probably the driest day I've had so far for a while. As you come off the bridge, there's a railway line. Wow. So what are my first impressions of this place? I quite like it. I've been wanting to come here for a few days now, and my expectations of this place has been getting bigger and bigger, and I think it's exceeded them already. Oh wow. So I think this takes me towards the Central Park that way. I'm just looking at the time, 4:20 in the afternoon. And I've just spotted a water fountain. We'll try the water. Got it all over myself. It tastes like water. Nothing special. And tomorrow I want to do a full tour of the whole place. And there is a lot to see. But if you've enjoyed this little video of me arriving here and trying to find out where the hotel was, and the hotel that is really beautiful, then all you got to do is press that like button. If you want to see more of Borjomi, to find out why Tbilisi like this place so much that you got a statue built, then oh, there's another water fountain. Then all you got to do is subscribe. But until tomorrow, until the next video, bye bye for now.